Okay, so let me share screen, and then what is this? And why, Hamad, every time you keep coming to us with something? I agree. I will explain why. Always when I look for any technology or software, I have usually few things in my mind. One of it should add a value. The second thing should be not that complicated for the faculty to do. Doesn't require those people with very high technical skills need to be done. And the other thing, it should be something presentable, nice, quality, and looks very, very good. So this software called VidNami, if someone heard about VidNami, it's a video productions using some artificial intelligence in place. Now I have account for it. We will look at how we can get you later the account, but there is a trial version you can use. I don't think we need an account for each one. We can have account per department maybe, and those who want to create content, send it to single person. He will create it and send it back to them. It's a very simple to use. So when you log in there, you create a video. There are maybe 5 different ways to do it. I'll focus on 2, which I think they are good for teaching purpose. The first one, if you have a text from your note to the student, or something you would like to write a text to explain certain things for the student, or you're using it maybe from the e-text, but you want to put it in a nice video that the student can look at it get them more interested, and maybe explain things with some more visual components. So you start by a text or a script, they call it. That's the first one. The second one is you have a video already there, and you want to enrich that video with additional material, with some text, subtitles, and get it looks more professional. The third one, which is related to the second one, is that you want just to record the session. You start a camera and record it and convert it to a video. So I'll do the first one and the third one. The one in the middle, uploading a video, is similar to the third one. So when you get there, you create, again, it's vidnami.com. There are few alternatives to this one, but these people have moved really faster than others and made some good progress in this area. So if I create a new video, as you can see, there are so many templates here. Those templates basically there to adjust to the platform that you're going to upload the video to. For example, if you want to post your video to Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, you can find something like this layout. So the size fits very good on the page, and it will come fully on the page. If people will be accessing it from computer or other things, you can look at a different size. So these are many templates. The second thing those templates do is those color of the text, and how the color of the text will appear and where it will appear. Here are the different things you can create. Content video, that you can create it from a script. You have a script, you put the script, it does that one. Presentation, you have a video recorded already, or you want to record a video and put it there. Okay. This for more advertisement, focusing on certain areas. This is for sales. This one for courses or training videos, similar to the content one, which you start by a script you have, then you put it there. So we'll look at all the components that we need to do. Now for the template, I will go for maybe course and training. These are the different template. So I'll maybe choose maybe this one. So you select a template, you click here, select a template, then you say use the template. Now you need your script. Where is your script? I'm looking at a script here on a website talking about type of leadership or leadership styles. So let me just take this text we have here, and come here. Now we can paste it here and say leadership styles. This is the name of my video. Now this is good enough, but always better to cut those into smaller lines. You can just run it as it is and we will see how it will go. But usually I like to make it smaller line because those lines will appear on different scenes. Let me do this one quickly. Just it doesn't have to be in a certain place or location. You just do this. I think this one should go with this one, and then okay, this you can keep it maybe together, and you can see there's a quote here. I can take it and I can use the and here. I'm just making some spaces, sometime random, sometime I have a common, I have a sense. Usually if there is a full stop, it's always good where you start. I'll explain to you why I'm doing this. I can run it without this and I'll get a decent one. But later you will see when I do this what it will add. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is good. So that's the script. I didn't do any special thing. I can edit it, write something and change things. That's up to me. So I'll click on create scenes. Now it will build the video. Amazingly, yeah? Not the full video. It will build the video. Then we need to go through a few steps extra to add the audio to it and things like that. So now it's created the video. There are a number of scenes here. You can see there related to the video. So here it just this one use this image. It's very nice. Here I can change those things. If I think this is not the nice clip, I can search, find another one. I'll show you that, but I'm not going to do anything now. Just I'll go with this one as it is. So this is the scenes. I'll add a voice. Now you come to adding a voice. You can record your voice yourself, or you can use some automated. There are different voices here. This one, Kate.
Hi, my name is Kate and I would love to read the script for your video.
Yeah, Kate, maybe like.
Hi, my name is Angus and I would love to read the script for your video.
Yeah, you select.
So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Yeah, so these are the different, you have US, UK, Australia, and there are some third party that you can use to add, and you can record your own, so many of it. Let's go with this guy. He sounds good. Now it will process this video and create a preview for me to look at it. And then I can download the video. This is without making any changes, okay? Then I'll show you later. If I have a slide, I want to add it in between. I don't need that picture. I need a slide that visualize those type of leadership. How I can put it in that place of this one. Maybe I need a different clips to show certain things. All these things you can easily do, and it doesn't take time because you're just using whatever already existing. Now it takes few minutes to process. Now the advice I have, don't have a video that too long. I think 5-10 minutes maximum. In e-learning, if you look at Coursera, look at LinkedIn Learn, look at any of those big platforms, you will notice they don't use long video. You need to cut it down in smaller components. Like this video is very nice. This is introduction about leadership. Then we'll create a video for every style later. So student can maybe don't understand certain style of leadership, can just go to that video instead of watching 1 hour video. So this is a 1 minute and something.
Before we jump right into the nitty-gritty, there's one critical question that needs to be answered. Why the heck do leadership styles matter? Understanding how you led and want to lead will give you a better sense of control
Maybe this
over the size and scope of your reach and impact, explains Joel Crawford, a Muse career coach and leadership development consultant. Bringing awareness allows you to take ownership and responsibility. Adds Tara Padua, executive coach, entrepreneur, and startup advisor. Our leadership style is a whirlpool of our values, our natural strengths and abilities, and our beliefs and experiences. Knowing your leadership style can help you align that whirlpool with your vision, goals, and even your organization's mission and vision. Put simply, to have an impact as a leader, you need to be an effective one. And in order to be effective, you have to understand exactly where you're starting from, as well as where you want to go. Knowing your current approach gives you a baseline that you can use to identify the improvements you need to make.
Yeah, you notice there are few areas that maybe we could have used a better clip than this one. This is easy, we can change. You go back to the scene, I'll change it. I'll show you how to do that. Now the last step is you have music here to add. This one was running. We can change the music to something else or background music, which so many of them there. And then we go to the download. Now, when you get to download, you need to generate the video. Now you'll get MP3 video that you can put it anywhere. Let's do this one so we can have some discussion on that. So any questions do you have while it's doing this preparation of creating the video for me? Anyone has a comment, has a question, or need any clarification so far? Unmute your microphone and speak.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon, Hamad.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for sharing. And I have a question. Can we upload like our PowerPoints, our presentations, and then create a video over them just to record our voices and introduce them, or?
No, you need to start by a script or a text. That's where it is. If you don't have a script, you have a recorded audio or recorded video, you can extract the text from that video, which I will show you. And then based on that, it creates the video. Then after you create the video, if you want to add some slides to it, I'll show you now this one, for example. For example, somewhere I want to illustrate those different type of style of leadership. I can put a slide there. You'll see it. So you can modify it while you go. You just need some images. You just take an image from your slide, you convert the image, add it there, and replace that clip at that time with that slide, which I will show you in a minute. But the starting point, either a script or audio or a video.
And the script has to be, it cannot be a PDF. It has to be like a
need to be a text, plain text.
Plain text, okay.
Plain text. You can take it from the PowerPoint, take it, or maybe from the PDF and put it in a plain text.
Okay.
Just a text.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if this the question. Go ahead, Philip, please.
Yeah, getting back to the plain text. Is there? I know there is technology where you can practice your lecture. It records your voice and then transcribes it. What is that? Is there a good software for that?
Yeah, there are so many softwares you can do this. The best one I know is the Amazon. Amazon, they have a cloud solution where you can practice these things, and I can show you later if you want to get into that one. But there's so many software, although Moodle, Blackboard, there is a Safe Storyline. So many of them are there. This one also allow you to practice it. I'll show you now. You can record it to practice it. If you like it, then you do that. So this software also does that one as well, which will be my second part of this video.
No problem. Thanks, Ahmad.
Shannon?
Hi. Can students also use this as part of the videotape projects? Because yes. I think this would be really good. Is it free? They just need a separate account, or? They
need an account. There is a free version, but the free version will keep a trial on the video. Watermark will be there. If it is not important, I think still for the student, they can use it with the watermark saying this is a trial version that they can use.
Dr. Hamid, I just opened my own. I just did set up my own account. There's a 14-day trial.
Yeah.
Okay, but we can still work with it. Yeah.
Yeah. Still, I think we can also find a way to get the license. It's not expensive. I think if you get the license per the college or per department, then there is a central place where things can be used for the faculty. I'm thinking. Okay, now this video is, I think.
Dr. Hamad, can we produce some videos in Arabic with sounds in Arabic without using our voice?
Yeah, I didn't try the Arabic on this one, to be honest with you, but I have seen some people presenting in Arabic in this one, but I didn't try it. We can translate it.
Using his own voice is possible, but I'm saying that the same that you have shown to us, and using other voices.
Yeah. There are tools that you type the text in Arabic and convert it to voice in Arabic. The only challenge with it, which I use this a lot, and I did some research on this some time ago, is the Arabic language is different from the English because of the grammar. Because of where the word there.
Yes.
If you say حضر حمد إلى البيت, حمد has to be حمد.
Yes.
I say رأيت حمد. It's changed. So the software needs to do all those different notes on the text to ensure it will be pronounced the right way. But the software does really a good job on that one. But if you just spend more time to make sure that the skill is there.
Okay. Never mind. If there's no tashkil, it can go ahead.
But sometimes it sounds like funny a little bit. But with the tashkil, it comes proper. But tashkil takes a little bit some time from people. Now, I just leave it do this processing. I'm not interested in downloading it now. I'll show you now if I have a slide somewhere that I would like to add. So here he's talking about leadership. This is all fine. This one, I didn't like this one. This is not the right clip I should get on this. Yeah. So I can search here and say leadership or for a specific word that I think is good. Now it will search for me so many clips. I can select this one to replace it. So now it's changed by something that I think is meaningful, and sometimes you will get something culture sensitive. So you need to avoid those things related to beliefs, related to the way things. This one, for example, bringing awareness allows you to take ownership. I can just search for ownership from their database. Ownership, I didn't even write it correctly. Now there's so many I can look at them. There's so many. Maybe this is a good fun. The good thing, all those clips are royalty free, means you can use them. You have the copyright. You have no issue with that. They're not taking it from public domain anywhere. They created this and they give it to their client, and their client have the full authority to use it. Now, if I come here, I need to put a slide about leadership, which I have it somewhere on my computer. I have the option here to upload my own. I can upload a clip or upload an image. So if I have an image, I have one just I did for, I don't know if I have any slide on it's a leadership style. I'm just getting into the images and just show you quickly how, for example, this one is maybe good. Save image as, I'll put it on the desktop, leadership style. Okay, and can there. Now I can come and add it here, upload. So where is that one? Here is it is. Put it there. And now once it appears, where is it? Here is it. I can just put it here. Now I have some room for adjusting this one up, down, scaling it, and and giving it some animation to zoom in and zoom out and things like that. If you want to do that, you can play with it. You don't want, you just leave it. Just I don't want to complicate things. I just want to keep it as it is. So you can have it on, the software noticed this one take really short time. So to extend the time that slide stays on, they also added it automatic to the next one. But I can decide on the next one to have something else. So you have this room to make adjustment on this video by changing the clips, by adding some text, images, whatever you would like to do. And also you can edit this. This one you can come here and make any edit on it. If you think it's not really, maybe should be. The best place to edit it is in the script. But even if you did in the script, you came here, you notice there's something else need to be done, then you can do that. These things allow you to move things and adjust the background, adjust the media where it is, and also have some text positioning of the text where it is. The default thing is nice because the software will find really the best place. Notice the text is not always coming in the same place. Here, the software detected that it's better to have it here, because if it is here, it will hide those people moving. But when it came here, it put it more in the middle because thought, oh, this is better. It can come there because it's not hiding anything important. Software makes some adjustment, some judgment on it. But you can also modify that judgment by using all those different things. You can add a link also to things as well. But as it is, it's good enough, and this is the first example that we can go for. I think they just get this one done. I'll show you now the second one when you record yourself and you want to make your video and add to it some other media things that you would like to have. Once this one done, just I don't want to leave it in the middle. Again, back to you. I'll stop sharing. Just listen to if you have questions. Philip, back to you. Your hand is still up, or maybe this is a new hand. Okay, thank you. Any other questions you have on the first part, which we're using a script and we're generating this video and making minor adjustment, either changing a clip using the library or adding an image from the library. By the way, I was down searching for an image in Google. I could have searched for the image from this library on type of leadership, and I will find many. Now the video is already there. Thank you. So that's good. Okay, let's now go to the second way of creating this video. So if I have a video recorded already, or I want to record myself now talking about something and make a video of that one. Let's do this one first. So I go back to my videos. You can see these are the videos I have created in the past. Now I'll create a new video. This time I will look for those present video. I'm not going to course or presenter video. And this again, there's so many different of, I want to post it in the social media, maybe good to use those things. But if I wanted as a course for my student, maybe it's all the same, but just looking at the yellow color is very strong. Anyway, let me use this one. So this is the one. I say now there are few variation of that one. You can look at it. Like this one, the text will be having a background black color, so the text comes very clear. This one, the text is just comes on top of that. So you can look at all those different types of it. Let me try this one this time. Why? Because I'm having a little bit blue-white shirt, maybe. Okay, I am here now. I have these two options. One is I can record the video using the webcam now. I'll try that. Why I'm saying I try, because I'm using my webcam already for this meeting? Will it accept using webcam again? Sometimes this software conflict with each other. The other thing, I can upload a ready-made video. So I need to think what I'm going to talk about. Okay, let's go with the camera. This is the camera. Now, usually you will get some, if you have multiple cameras, you can change them from here. If you have multiple microphones, you can change them from here. So I'll go just with the default. You need to make sure this is moving. That means the audio is detecting my voice and things looks nice. So we'll start. Welcome to this video. I'll be talking to you about an important subject. Exactly what that subject, I don't know. It's important, yeah, you understand it's important, and when it's important, it becomes really important. So the subject is about programming languages and software, artificial intelligence, something like that. Okay, thank you. I just said something doesn't make any sense, but I wanted to show you that we can record it now. You can record anything, basically. It will now put it there. You can play it. You don't like it, you throw it away and re-record it again. The other software where you can maybe record, edit, and re-edit, I can recommend to you some of it, which should be simple to use. But now it's just processing it quickly. It's only 24 seconds of a video. Video is there, so use recording. So I have my recording here. Now, where is that script? This is the challenge. Will it understand my accent and language? It's saying US English, I will go with that. But if you need to adjust, you can adjust. Philip, you have room for adjustment there. So do transcribe. This will go and listen to my video, and create the script for me. The script will have some few errors there, which I can adjust it and fix it because of I'm not a native English, and maybe my accent is not the best, so it will go and cause some issues maybe. But we will see what will come. I think will come very nice thing with only a few things that. My advice, don't go fast. And one of my mistakes, sometimes I go a little bit fast while I'm talking at certain areas and then slow down later. Just try to find a balance where you don't just go too fast so the system can understand you well. We'll see. I think it will understand me well, hopefully. Otherwise, I will delete it. I'll delete the whole software. It should understand me well. Now, this processing, it depends on the server. So these are the text came. Welcome to this video. I'll be talking about an important subject. Exactly what that subject, this rubbish things I said. I just go with this one. I can re-edit it later and see what will come now. I didn't talk about something. I later just started talking about artificial intelligence or something, just to bring some meat into what I said, but there's nothing there. So this is the video now. This is the first clip. This is the second clip. Yeah. So it's still downloading it. Just wait for it for a second. Yeah. This is me, and see the text is coming there. Text coming. When I came here, maybe. What I'm saying, I'm talking about an important thing. I may change it. It usually give you some recommendation for a clip to put here. But let that one not to be. What exactly that? I'll put this nice lady here instead of me. And I come here, that subject, and then coming this guy, I don't know why he came in. There's something about, yeah, I understand. It's important. What is this? Oh, this rubbish thing I'm saying. Really very important. Okay, with this video here. I can search also for other videos that may be appropriate to what I was saying. Here talking about programming. So I said programming, it just found another clip that looks related to programming with some things there. Here talking about artificial intelligence. maybe this is good. I'm just going with its recommendation, but I can't find other things that are there. So now my video is almost there. I don't need any voice over because my voice is there. It's using my voice. I can later, maybe I don't like it, I can replace it, but that it is. Those music, the one deselected, still I'll keep it there. It looks good. Okay, I just moved to generating the video. Now, before generating video, I could have shown you there are different quality of the video. The default one is 720. You can change it to 1080, so you'll get a better high definition quality video. But the 720 is really good enough for whatever you want to do. While it's processing, let's talk. What questions do you have for me, or ideas, or clarification, or whatever? Yes, Hatem, go ahead. Hatem, then Haytham. Assalamu
Doctor, I missed the first 20 minutes of your presentation. So in general, where can I find your presentation to?
Yeah, I will send you the video when you finish. Yeah. But I'll do quick revision as well.
No, I was just asking about in general, because sometimes I also miss some of your interesting videos in the past. So I want to know how can I get them.
Yes. I will upload it to my YouTube channel. I'll send you the link. There are two YouTubes. One is my personal YouTube. Usually only things I record on my own, I put it there. But on this one, I will add it to IDU Connect, which is a community portal. I'll send you the channel link, so in the future you can find all those videos related. And I'll send you also my personal channel if you would like.
So they are not uploaded automatically on stream?
It's uploaded on Team. This recording is in Team. You'll find it in Team. Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
It will be in the same meeting.
The previous ones don't go automatically to stream, like when I give classes.
Nowadays we have an issue with the stream. Joseph is looking at it. Microsoft, they changed their license, and the videos goes into Teams in OneDrive, not into stream directly. And he is following up. In the past, it used to go automatic to stream, but now there is an issue with that one. We will find a solution. There are two ways to solve it. I think he will find the solution.
Hi, Dr. Ahmad, just to come in, but now essentially record the video, save the file of the video in files. If you go in files, it creates automatically a folder and save the video there. This is something, but it's true, it's no more connected with the streams. Yes.
Yeah, but they will change it. He's working on it, Joseph, to get it to go back. I think it's a license. Microsoft, they have A1, A2, A3 different license, and we are on one of those licenses that doesn't do automatic upload it there. And now he will fix that one. That's not a major issue. But it will be in Teams. I will upload it to stream as well. The challenge, we recorded it into this meeting, which faculty forum. Yeah, you will find it in the faculty forum. That's the place we are putting all our videos in. Faculty forum, which on Microsoft Teams. Haytham?
Yes, it's just a quick question. Can we change the size of the script so it doesn't hide some of the clips?
Yes.
The size of it?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Yeah.
You can.
So the font.
You can change the size. You can also move it from one place to other place.
Okay,
yeah, so you have this option. It's in the setting there. You can do it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nisma?
Yes. Basically, I want to ask you about the difference between InVideo, Movely, and the VidNami.
Yeah. Movely is like an animation video, like Beyond, if you know also Beyond. It's a more an animation, and it takes a little bit of time to create the videos. The VidNami is just, you can see it use artificial intelligence. If you have a script, it will build the video for you based on the script. So you just write the script or the text. Sometimes when you say script, people think it's coding. No, it's not coding. It's just a text. You write your text there, and it will create the video for you. So it simplifies the process and increase the productivity of the person. And I think for education, there's so many things we can use it for that can help student get engaged more, and also we can get the student to use it as well to do some of the work. Rafiq?
Thank you, Doctor.
Good afternoon, Dr. Hamad. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for this another wonderful, really wonderful video that was really long time awaited. I was waiting for something like this for a long time. My question, Dr. Hamad, is related to the animation we can produce on PowerPoint, especially when we have options and the students have to read the text, for example, listen and answer through options or matching. Is it possible on VidNami here? Thank you.
Yeah, very good. That's a good question. Now, always it depends on what we want to do. If we want to increase our requirement, things need to get a little bit complicated. Yes, you can do the animation. Basically, you need to record your presentation as a video with the animation and import it in the place where you want it to be. That's the solution for this one. Sorry, I'm getting a call. So you record as a video, just export it as MP4 from PowerPoint. You just PowerPoint somewhere export it, and then you import it inside the clip in the location that where you want it to be.
Good. So the animation will be kept the same, right? As the original file.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. What about inserting another video? Like I have a small clip that I'd like to insert in the video I produced.
Yes, exactly. I will show you now. I'll go back to that one.
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Let me show you now the video being created, and I can download it. Now, you just download. You'll get MP4 video. Here is it. I think I didn't give it. What name I give it? I didn't give it any good name. But here is my video, and listen to it for a second and watch it. Welcome to this video. I'll be talking to you about an important subject. Exactly what that subject, I don't know. It's important, yeah? I understand it's important, and when it's important, it becomes really important. So the subject is about programming languages and software, artificial intelligence, something like that. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the video now. I can upload it anywhere I want. I have the video, and it has the text, has all the things I wanted to have. Now, if I go back to that question, I have a video I want to add, yeah, inside the presentation. You go back to the scenes. These are the scenes, and you find the place, maybe that video should come here. So what you do, you go upload and select a clip, get the clip from your computer, and then it will be added here. You replace this one with that one. Now the audio will remain my audio, not the audio that you bringing from the clip, unless you want to change that one. You can also change it there. So you can. And the good thing in between, you came here, oh, I need to add something extra. I don't want to replace this one. I need to add something extra. You can click here and add a new scene, and then add the video from somewhere else.
Oh yeah, good, yeah.
Just make sure you do not cut the voice. You don't come in a place where he is talking in the middle of a sentence, and you cut him and go somewhere. Wait for that to be completed. So you have all these editing options that you can use here.
One last question, Dr. Hamad. Can I? It's about the background. I remember when we recorded ourselves on Teams, there is a possibility of maneuvering and manipulating, I should say, the background. And we put the background that doesn't move, or that is not the real background. Can we do that for the video?
This one does not have, but you can do this one somewhere. Say you record your video in Team or Zooming, and then you can upload it. So when I created the video, let me go back to this. When I clicked on create a video, I have those options, yeah? One of it is presenter. The presenter, if I choose any of those clips here, this one, for example, has two options. One, I record myself. The other one, I upload the video. So I can upload a video that has the background, has everything. What I'm trying to do here, I don't want to complicate things for you. I want you to be able to produce decent content in a faster way and enrich your courses without adding so many complications to something. But you still can create a video nicely with nice background. I think if you have a plain background, that should be good enough. You don't have to have this fancy. Just to record on a wall or on a white board or anything that really decent, doesn't have so many distractions in the background. That should be good enough for you. Of course, the video generated here, we can further edit it, put it in editing software and do whatever we want to do further with it. But we don't want that. I think we need to quickly produce quality videos from existing material that will have impact on our student and enrich their experience. That's the way I'm looking at it. And this is what I'm looking at when I'm looking at those software. So in summary, there are a number of ways to create. First, you can look at either you create from a text, which I would recommend use course, and you go and select any of those templates, doesn't make difference. You can either write it here or get it from somewhere else. Now, there are few advanced options. When you write a text and you click here, it gives you some option here. So bold keywords for me. So that keyword that the system will sense are important, they will be bold or be in a different color. And the software make it adjustment. You can later change that if you think it's not the right one. Select video clip for me, it will find. Select images if there are. Select layout for me. Layout means where the text will appear and how big the video, because sometimes some of this video, when the system put them in, they shrink them or expand them based on where they think it's better. And you have, later you can adjust them. Add a motion on the images. If you add an image, you will notice some zoom in or fade out or some animation coming. The system, again, make its own judgment on the right one to do here. Add a scene transition between those scenes. You can notice that. Animate the text, so the text do not come just one, they come together. Sometimes they come from the middle, sometimes from the right, it depends on that. Link scenes for me, so there is a sequence between them. And then you can have this one to hide text. You don't want text to appear on all of it. Some people say, oh, text is distracting, is not the right one, but text is good for people who maybe their listening is an issue, or also it adds some elements, but it depends on the person. So these are all the things you need, and there are a few more things. So when you add the text, just by default, all these things are enabled except hide text, and you can do that. Here, some of the layout of that automatic fit. This is the best. We need artificial intelligence to reduce the time we spend. Otherwise, you can go with those things which we have here. It's a very simple system, and in no time you can generate really nice videos. That's what I think, but I want to hear from you. Any comments? Will you use this one in your classes? Are you considering it? Dr. Rim, go ahead, Rim.
Yes, for sure, I'm considering using it. Of course, I have to give it a number of trials until I feel comfortable with it. But I have a question regarding the length of the text that you use. Is there a limit to that? Because personally, I can see this obvious to me as a learner now, not as a teacher. Sometimes I feel tired when I read a lot of, long texts. So changing them into a video where and audio at the same time will really make things easier for me as a learner now. Yeah. So is there a limit to, can I upload a chapter, for example?
Yeah, no, I think the advice from e-learning practices, your video should not go more than 10 minutes. Really, 10 minutes is too long for that. If you look at Coursera, you look at, so the text, if the text is long, the video will be long.
Yeah, I know. I'm not using it to teach. That's the one that I'm using for myself as a learner. Is it, I mean, or is there a limit with the program itself, or you have not tried this program?
There is a limit on the video size. I think the video size, not on the text.
On the only on the text.
Yeah,
okay.
but if you look at that, I didn't explore that one, but I tried to upload a little bit large video, didn't accept it for me. Oh, that gave me that indication. Yeah, but as a learner, yeah, you're right. You can do whatever you think is helping you. Thank you.
Can you please also repeat if we are able to use this application? Is it free for us? Is it there available, or we still need to buy this application? Or
there is a trial version, but again we need to see. Trial version will give you a good one, but we'll have the trial on that one. It's only 14 days, so you have to do your things within 14 days. I have my own license. We can later, if we see there is a really good number of people who will make use of it, we will find a mechanism to have license for each department. I don't think we need a license for every faculty, in my opinion. This usually institution take it and use it to produce content for the institution. So you can have your license between you, which you can share between your department, or there's someone you send him the script and then he will or she will do that. We need to look at all those strategies here, and Dr. Philip is here, can help me thinking of this as well.
I can see how one very specific use would be for the blended learning courses, where it's useful to post videos before maybe a face-to-face session, and could be part of the learning package for a particular learning outcome. It'd be fantastic for that.
Yeah, and in terms of license, I think maybe this idea of having license per colleges, it cost me. This is my license. I always pay for those things because I want to learn. I think $40 per month. So if you get around 5 license or something like that, that can be. But we need to make sure first we have people who are really going to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions, team? Or anything you want me to repeat?
Dr. Hamad.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you for your presentation. If I create my own video like you just did, and so I get the script, then can I change my voice? Can I make it the final video to not with my voice, but with an artificial intelligence voice, whatever?
Yeah, you can. But the only thing, if your video is appearing, syncing what the text is saying with your lips will not be right. If you do that, you need to do it by removing maybe completely your video from there. And it's doable. I can just show you how I can do this. If I go back to my video, which this is the one I created, yeah? When you look at the script, here is the script. Now, what I can do with this script, I can copy it, completely, yeah, and go and create a new video now, using this style, and take anything. This looks nice, delicious, and I can paste it now. Now, this one will create now a video based on that text, which I can use a voice over using technology or whatever it is on that one instead of my voice. Leave all these things coming here, something here coming. I can't change those things, but if I come here and it was my voice, isn't it? Now it will be Harry, for example. Yeah. So now I change that one. It's my text. What I benefit from this one, I extracted the text from my voice.
Yes.
Now I have a new one with.
Welcome to this video. I'll be talking to you about an important subject. Exactly what? That
Yeah. See?
Yes.
So that,
Yes.
maybe
Nice.
answer your question.
I have one more question.
Yeah.
I have my pre-recorded videos using PowerPoint, and I have one file, but I have more than one videos.
Yeah.
Can I use this one file which I created using PowerPoint? And I have, you know, I'm writing equations. I explain with my voice and all that. Can I use this video now and this file which has 3 videos inside?
Yeah. Yeah.
And create a new, better video using this software?
Yeah, I think you can. The way is, again, you need to export the big video that has all the 3 videos into MP3, and then you import it inside. But again, if it is too long, I think I noticed maybe 15 minutes this one can support as a one video. It will not go in. But maybe you divide it. You can, after you export it, you can cut it into 3 parts or 2 parts or whatever parts, and then you upload it. So the way is to include the sub videos inside the presentation. You need to export the main video as a MP4, and then you can import it in. But try not to make it a long one.
Okay, because I tend to have long videos. Can I get one of the 3 videos, copy it and import it and create many different videos for the same lecture?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I know that sometimes when we teach, this is something I do sometimes. I create those long videos, but always good to break them into smaller chunks, focusing on certain thing. I'm sure in that 2 hours you're not explaining one thing the whole time, so you're explaining maybe different examples of the same thing. So you can take those examples in each one in one video, so the student can later just go to that one. Making videos smaller is more effective, and you still can link them together to play like 1 hour video, even if they are small. Okay, any other questions? Thank you.
Dr. Ahmed, I have a question, just quick question. In case you will collect the name of the people interested that will use, for sure, I would like to be in that list because I really enjoy. So if there's any chance to have the license, I'm going to use more than just 14 days. So that's the things.
Good.
Thank
Good.
you.
Excellent. Good. Thank you. Okay. Any other things you want me to cover? We have only 5 minutes left. I didn't look at the chat. I'm not a good faculty teacher. But
thank you, Dr. Hamad, for this nice presentation today. Thank you very much.
And thank you. I can see so many good names, those who wanted the software. That's good. Okay, that's it. I think, I'm sorry, yes, sometimes I send you this request at any time, but as you know, it's just, if you have time, you just come for it. I think we're reaching to a level that we're not going to bring any more things. We have the core technologies that we need in place. We need maybe to think now, find a strategy to make sure we utilize them and produce what we want to produce from that one. That's the way I'm looking at it. Also, we have lots of work led by Professor Philip in terms of faculty professional development. He will come back to you. So we'll come with a plan for the future to make sure that you stay up to date with the practices, and especially those people who come new to the university, how we can make sure they are on board and they go through the right professional development.
Dr. Hamad, can you please send us the link to your Edu YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'll do that one.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Okay. Philip, do you want to add anything before we go? Because I mentioned you. I'm sorry for that.
Yeah, it's Hamad mentioned what we're trying to do for next academic year is to pull together everything we've learned this year in a comprehensive package, particularly for people who are new to the university. So really embed the teaching, learning and assessment skills, and then lift it up in terms of technology and think about instructional design as a base for face-to-face tuition, and then how we apply instructional design for distance learning provision. So how can we develop and deliver the best material possible. And to do that, we need a range of technologies and skills to pull together. We've learned a hell of a lot over the past year, and the challenge now is to embed it and have it in a structured way that everyone can understand and learn from it going forward, so we don't lose everything we've learned this year. So hopefully from September, we'll have we will have a clearly articulated range of teach and learn activities into one place that'll help faculty develop their competence in face-to-face and teaching. So I'd like to thank Hamad for the absolutely phenomenal amount of work he's done over the past year. It's been absolutely amazing, and I know I've learned a lot, and I come from this background as well, so I love to learn new things, and even today it's great to come along and learn about this. So thank you, Hamad, and thank everyone for taking the time out of their schedule to come and upskill themselves and be the best they can be as an educator. So thank you.
Thank you. Have a great weekend, everyone.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Dr.
Bye.
Hamad.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All the best. Bye bye.